Hi guys, so if you've got a Mclaren, if you're lucky enough to own a Mclaren, but you are unfortunate enough to have a check engine light on your Mclaren and you're looking for a diagnostic tool, then this is what we recommend. This is the Autel kit. We'll pop the link to this in the description below this video. Mainly in previous years, sort of anybody with a Mclaren who wants to maybe do some diagnostics on it has had to maybe take it to a garage, a dealer, a workshop, and maybe have the vehicle trailered somewhere and be without it for quite some amount of time. Well, with this tool, it takes all of that away. It's we have them in stock and we can deliver it to your house. It's a really good package, because for many years, like I say, Mclaren owners have had absolutely nothing, but now this tool is available and it has all of the Mclaren vehicles on, all of the Mclaren software on. So if you've got a check engine light for your Mclaren, then this is what we would definitely recommend. This is the tool to go for. So we're just going to use anything as an example here. I'm just going to go in and say something like a 720S, okay? Just as an absolute example, click OK. And then you can click on control unit. A bit stronger, I think, there. And then we've got the engine control module here. So this will allow you to diagnose the engine warning light, allow you to diagnose why it's on, give you a unique fault code. It will give you a description of the fault. You can look at live data from the engine system, so all of the engine components. You can see how they're operating, see what kind of values and numbers they're giving out. And it really is a fantastic tool if you do have a Mclaren and you want to basically put the power into your own hands. You want to maybe just, you know, not be ripped off by the garage or dealer, or you want to be able to just do a simple reset or try and fix the problem yourself, you know. So I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but if you do have any questions, please do email us. And we do offer free UK delivery, same day dispatch. It's a fantastic package and is already proving very popular with Mclaren owners and some Mclaren workshops and garages as well. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope it helps.